So hello guys, welcome back to SwagCade. In this video we are going to solve this lab, so let us start. Once you've logged in, just come back to the GitHub repo and copy this from here and paste it into the search box. Now, click on this buckets. Now we will copy our project ID from the lab and click on the Create button. After this, we'll paste our project ID into the name field and then click on Create. While it's being created, we'll just activate our Cloud Shell. Meanwhile, we'll just copy these commands from the repo and wait till the Cloud Shell gets activated. Now we'll click on Continue and click on Got it. Again, got it. And paste it into the Cloud Shell and hit Enter and click on Authorize. Now we'll check progress for all our tasks, and we will get a score without any issue. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.